Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 14 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device by holding the power button. There we go. I'm gonna swipe up. And when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now, the moment you see anything show up on the screen, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here we have things like reboot, wipe data, connect with Mi Assistant, and we can boot the device in safe mode. Under wipe data, we have just basically factory reset and no wipe cache partition. Ugh, boy, sorry for that one. In any case, after my sneezing session, let's just stick with the reboot, which will take us back to Android. Now, I should also mention you can navigate to these options using volume buttons, as you see me do, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected, as touchscreen doesn't actually work in this mode. So, power button, and power button will get me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.